Have you ever wondered how companies handle cybersecurity breaches? In this digital age, cybersecurity has become a critical concern. A cybersecurity breach, simply put, is an incident where unauthorized individuals gain access to confidential data. These breaches can cause serious damage, ranging from financial loss to damaged reputations for businesses, and can even lead to personal identity theft for individuals. Understanding these breaches is the first step in mitigating their impact. Now let's dive into the actual process of incident response. When a cybersecurity breach occurs, it triggers an incident response process. Let's dive into this process, which neatly breaks down into 6 key steps. First up, we have preparation. This isn't just about having the right tools and skills in place, but also about creating an effective incident response plan. This plan is your roadmap when things go awry, detailing who does what, when, and how. It's about being ready before the storm hits, not scrambling for an umbrella when you're already soaked. Next, we have identification. This is where you discover that a breach has occurred. You might spot strange network activity, receive an alert from your security systems, or even get a tip-off from an external source. The key here is speed. The faster you identify a breach, the less damage it can do. Then comes containment. This is the digital equivalent of stopping a leak. You might isolate affected systems, block certain IP addresses, or change user credentials. The goal is to limit the damage and prevent the breach from spreading further. Following containment, we have eradication. Here, you're not just patching up the leak, you're fixing the pipe. This might involve removing malware, patching vulnerabilities, or strengthening your security measures. It's about ensuring the breach can't happen again in the same way. Next up is recovery. This is where you get your systems and operations back to normal, ensuring your business can continue as usual. It might involve restoring data from backups, validating that your systems are clean, and confirming that your security is robust. Finally, we have lessons learned. This is where you take a step back and review the incident. What went wrong? What went right? How can you improve? This isn't about finger pointing, it's about learning and improving. It's turning a negative into a positive by using the experience to strengthen your defenses. So that's a quick tour of the incident response process, but what are the key takeaways from this? Incident response is a critical aspect of cybersecurity that helps companies manage and mitigate breaches. It's a process that involves identifying, containing, eradicating, and recovering from threats. Cybersecurity breaches can have severe impacts on businesses, potentially leading to financial losses, damage to reputation, and regulatory penalties. Therefore, it's essential to have an effective incident response plan in place. Remember, in the digital age, cybersecurity isn't just about prevention, but also about effective response and recovery.